Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jill and I enjoy sharing different beauties, tips, tricks, and more with you. And today we're going to have a little segment for our gentlemen. And we have two products that my husband is going to help me feature today. So I just wanted to do a quick introduction before he gets started. And the one is our new beard wash. And this is going to be a foaming beard wash. So I'm going to have him do a quick demonstration on this. And then I'll tell you all about the good ingredients that's in it. And then the other thing he's going to follow up with and give us a demonstration of is our beard oil that was very popular, went away for a while, and is now back for a limited time. So if you enjoyed this, or your gentleman in your life has enjoyed this, because you can use it for other areas as well, but it's focused on the beard or mustache area, or a goatee as in my husband's case. So we will be sharing this, but if you like it, grab it because these go fast. We're even limited as consultants to what we can get, so I'm trying to get as many as I can in hand so that I have that for you guys. So let's do a quick demonstration and I will give you some information on it and y'all can tell me how my husband did. All right, let's get started.
Okay, so Jerry's going to get ready to demonstrate the beard wash for you first. The beard wash is designed to clean, refresh, and nourish the beard and the face area. It's formulated with a sunflower-infused surfactants rich in vitamin E, and it has really great moisturizing benefits that is perfect for the beard and face area. So when you want to get it on there, you can see it foams up really nice. Put it all over your mustache or any other facial hair area, and rub that in really good. Give it a good clean. And then you're going to want to rinse it thoroughly. And this is the best way to just get all the soap out of everything. You could also use a warm washcloth if you prefer. And then to be sure to dry it really well after cleaning everything. And then once you have that dried really well, we're going to follow up with the really wonderful beard oil, which also softens, shines, and it smells absolutely amazing because it has some peppermint extract in it. And you can put it on like Jerry's demonstrating here, or you could also put it in your fingers, rub it around in your fingers a little bit, and then massage it into your facial hair area. Whichever you prefer works fine. And then you leave this on, you will not be rinsing this off. So a big thank you to Jerry.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching the demonstration of these two great products that my husband did. I think he did an awesome job and I appreciate him giving me a hand and helping me get this done. So if you have any questions at all, as always, please leave me a comment below. I'd be happy to help. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe as it really helps me to grow my channel and I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, welcome to my new subscribers. I'm so happy to have you here and I enjoy having you here as I grow this channel. So I hope you all have an absolutely amazing day and I will see you soon in the next video.